Hi cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a yummy Disney pineapple Dole Whip. This is definitely a must-have frozen dessert when you go to Disneyland, right? Hope you guys will love this cute drawing inspired by the Disney Dole Whip plush. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw this Dole Whip, we're going to first start by drawing the flower on the side. So right here, I'm just going to go up with a curve, round it off, come down. So it's basically like drawing a star. So it's a 5-petal flower. So right here, I'm going to start, come down. Once again, round it off. And let's go to the other side. And now the bottom ones. So we're just aim towards the center. Right there. And same thing over here. There. So then now let's make it look like a flower. We're going to aim towards the center. So I'm just going to give myself a point about right there in the center. And I'm just going to draw some curves to connect the petals. And now let's come inside once again and we're just going to flick out some curves on each petal. Now it looks like a flower, right? There. Okay, so we have our flower in. Now let's come to the side right here and make our cup about this big. So I'm going to come about, aiming for about this area. I'm going to come about right here and start a line all the way towards my flower. And right here, I'll round it off. And once again, just follow my top. So that's just the lip of the cup. And from there, I'm going to start to angle a line down from my cup. So about right here. And let's come to the other side. So our cup's about right here. So I'm going to put another line right here to finish my cup. And let's go down a bit more. And about right there, I'm going to round off the corner on both sides and connect it. There, so I have my cup in. Now let's draw the Dole Whip. So I'm going to come up right here. So the first layer is going to be nice and big. So about right here, I'm going to start with one big mound. I'm just going to come right across, say about right here. Just draw another curve. So then another one is going to get smaller and smaller. So about right here, I'm going to draw another mound. And once again, I'm just going to come right across, say about right here, and draw another mound, connecting it, and one more. Getting smaller as we go up. So once again, say about right there. And the last one, the little top, little one at the top. So about right there, just gonna curve it and in. There. Now let's connect it. So come here and lightly, just connect your little mounds right there. Right across. There. Okay, so then now we're going to draw some details right here. I'm going to add a little red band right here. So it's going to come right across. Go right there. Towards our flower. And then let's bring this Dole Whip to life. So I'm going to come in this area about right here. And I'll draw a big oval. And another one right about here. There. And so let's make them draw so cute oval eyes. So 2 small circles or ovals and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. Just feel Disney things need oval eyes, right? Just like Mickey. And lines at the bottom and same thing over here. colors of my eyes in. Fix it if you need to. Okay, so then I'm going to come up right here, just put a little curve above each eye. And of course, a sweet little smile in the middle. So about right here between the eyes, curve, and a deeper curve to connect it. And cap it off. And you can just go ahead and shade this in black. There. So, oh, and of course, right? We're not done yet. Add a little heart right here to make my jaw so cute. Disney Pineapple Dough Whip. So now that we're done drawing it, let's go ahead and color it. So there, hope you guys love this drawing and inspires you to get some Dough Whip when you visit Disneyland. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and remember to turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.